Hi there, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be discussing 5 reasons men leave the woman they love. Love is tricky. Why do men leave women when it takes so much courage to fall in love in the first place? For men, it might be more difficult to deal with falling in love than for women. When a man falls in love, he must take into account the suffering that might occur by opening up all of himself to her. Is the risk worth it? Here are 5 reasons why men leave the woman they love. 1. He feels that she's trying to fix him. When a man starts to feel that he's not enough, that his flaws are huge, or that he cannot be himself without judgment, he starts looking for the exit. Women, often without realizing it, tend to emasculate men by making them their projects and by trying to change or improve them. Albert Einstein said, "Men marry women with the hope they will never change. Women marry men with the hope they will change. Invariably, they are both disappointed." What a man really needs is a woman who offers wholehearted encouragement so a man can discover who he truly is. This is what we all need in a relationship. A man can grow and mature with the help of a loving and supportive partner. 2. He is threatened by the woman's success. Men experience a huge blow to their self-esteem when their female partners experience success, even when they are not in direct competition. A woman's success also negatively impacts how the man views the future of their relationship. If the man has not been able to attain the success he feels he deserves, this is often a pivotal reason he might leave a relationship. He cannot join her in her success or support her because he is inwardly comparing her success to his failures. 3. She nags all the time. Men can zone out sometimes, but never more often than when a woman is saying the same thing for the 100th time. Constant nagging and belittling can destroy a relationship. Men may play like children, but they are not kids. They rarely tolerate constant whining and complaining. Men need to feel appreciated and uplifted. They will ignore and avoid nagging because it adds to negative reinforcement or even passive-aggressive conflict. If he knows she is going to give him grief, he will not respond well to requests or comments. If he feels she will complain no matter what he does, he realizes there is no satisfaction in doing what she wants. To a man, a nagging woman is not a supportive or enjoyable partner to have. 4. He suffers a lack of intimacy. Believe it or not, men crave intimacy just as much as women. If a man has to beg for it, while the woman withholds it to get him to do things, he may leave the relationship to seek that connection with someone else. A man will not stand by too long with a woman who will not participate in intimate encounters with her partner. A man falls in love with a woman for many reasons, but he also needs to feel that he is the most desirable person in her life. 5. She compares him to other men. There is nothing more annoying to a man than listening to a woman talk about past relationships. When the woman starts to compare him to an ex, that's the beginning of the end. Men do not want to analyze their partner's past relationships and intimate connections. A man wants to believe he is the only one that matters right now. He doesn't want to hear that a previous lover did this or that. He wants to know that what he is doing right now is enough. Final thoughts on why men leave women they love. Men fall in love with the expectation of being appreciated, respected, and supported. If a man no longer feels like he is the hero of the story, he will naturally face a serious decision in whether or not he should change his relationship status. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!